No fewer than 9 persons died in a tanker explosion that occurred on a Teodola Bridge outward Lagos on Thursday evening. According to the Federal Road Safety Sector Commandant, Lagos State Hygienist Major said 54 vehicles were burnt in the incident, while 4 persons were injured.
And we activated the emergency response team, which of course included the ambulance service, the fire service, RRS, the Federal Road Safety Corps, and other team members. And what we have there is slightly bad. We have 4 vehicles of various types. Those will also be counted. What we are doing now is to damp down the fire, fuel pockets of fire. And as soon as we do that, we are going to begin the process of evacuating the carcass of the vehicles on this road, clean up the road and restore public order here. Yes, we have challenges of crowd management, but thank God, police are here now. So we're on top of the situation.
Lasema has captured it all in terms of the casualty. We are also battling with restoring traffic, diverting traffic so that people coming back from work can also have alternative routes. For now, people coming from Third Mainland Bridge should please take 7 up and connect to Mobolaji Johnson. From there, Akidimbi, and you take Jodubega, and you still bust out to the express. And if you are by the toll gate side and you are the other way, we have talked to the Omole estate so that you can still follow this Otedola and enter through the Omole and bust out at the other end. Like the GM Lasema said, efforts are still on to see how we can evacuate breakages.